5 amazing inventions by Jamaicans. Reggae music and athletic success have earned Jamaica worldwide fame over many years, but this island paradise has contributed much more to the international community. Jamaicans have excelled in various fields, at home and abroad, and are credited with some genius inventions that are being used all around the world. Here are 5 notable inventions that Jamaicans had a hand in creating. Welcome back to Elite Jamaica. I'm Alex. If it's your first time joining me, consider subscribing to the channel and click the notification bell so you always receive updates as we update videos regularly. A cure for prostate cancer. In 2012, renowned Jamaican scientist Dr. Henry Lowe released the Alpha Prostate Formula 1 on the market, 2 years after announcing a breakthrough cure for prostate cancer. With its main ingredients derived from the ball moss plant, the product, which claims to eliminate prostate cancer, is available under the Eden Gardens brand. It has since gained approval from the US-based Food and Drug Association and is certified for export to North America and other countries.
When we did OK, you would take us for a ride from downtown Kingston to Papaya in our Constant Spring. And I used to see all these electrical wires loaded with ball moss.
Kianosol eye drops, a medicated eye drop made from the marijuana plant, is the first medical treatment for the eye disease known as glaucoma. It was developed at the University of the West Indies Mona in Jamaica by a Jamaican research team of pharmacologist Professor Manley West and ophthalmologist Dr. Albert Lockhart. The breakthrough came after 10 years of research in the ganja plant, which is long reputed by rural folk to improve vision using various concoctions of the weed. The medical eye drop Kianosol is especially known for having little or no side effects compared to the similar synthetic drugs that treat the disease. The Ortonique fruit. Even some Jamaicans might be surprised to learn that the Ortonique was developed right here in Mandeville, Manchester. Originally known as a tangelo, the cross between an orange and a tangerine was once the creation of David Daniel Phillips, who was reportedly the grand-uncle of parliamentarian Dr. Peter Phillips. For more than a century, the Ortonique has been thriving in the cool hills of Manchester, with a distinctively sweet flavor that may have something to do with the bauxite-rich soil in that area. Disease-resistant papaya. Jamaican biotechnologist Dr. Paula Tennant is credited with the creation of the Solar Sunrise, a genetically modified strain of papaya which is resistant to the ring spot disease. Dr. Tennant was the first person from the Caribbean to ever develop a bioengineered product, which she accomplished during a research at Cornell University in New York City. Tennant was able to manipulate the disease-causing gene in the fruit and develop a papaya which was resistant to the ring spot disease. Her discovery helped to save the local papaya industry, which was under threat from the invasive disease at the time. The Jaipur knee prosthetic, otherwise called the $20 knee. Amputees can thank Jamaican Joel Sadler and his teammates at Stanford University for creating the Jaipur knee, one of the most affordable prosthetic knees available to the public. Sadler, along with his American friends Eric Thorshell, Ayo Roberts, and Angela Chichowski, created the low-cost artificial knee in 2009 as a part of their master degree program at Stanford University. With a cost of just $20 compared to an average cost of $10,000 and a minimum 3 years of normal use, the Jaipur knee is named one of the 50 best inventions of 2009 by Times Magazine.
Big inventors like the Thomas Edison creating practical lighting for all, or the Einsteins creating their theories of relativity. How did they come up with these great big ideas that impacted our lives? So I went to study at MIT, where I decided to stop cutting my hair and learn engineering, how to build technology to help human life. And there's a great TV show in the 70s called The $6 million man about.
Hey, thank you for joining me, guys. Please leave a like if you enjoyed this video just now, and leave a comment down in the comment section letting me know which of these inventions you had known about already. And if it was your first time here, remember to subscribe to the channel and click the notification icon so you always receive our updates.